In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save progress in Google Forms. If you've ever worried about losing your work while building a form, this walkthrough will put your mind at ease. We're focusing on how your changes are saved automatically as you create or edit a form, so you don't have to hunt for a save button. Start by opening Google Forms in your web browser. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account so your work can be stored safely in Drive. Once Forms loads, you'll see your recent forms. Click the one you want to work on to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, you'll build or refine your questions. To add a new question, look for the plus icon on the floating toolbar along the right side of the screen and click it. A blank question block appears immediately in your form, ready for you to customize. By default, new questions often start as multiple choice. Click the question type dropdown to switch formats. You can choose checkboxes if you want people to select more than one answer, drop down for a compact list of options, or paragraph when you need a longer, open-ended response. Pick the format that best fits the information you're trying to collect. Now type your question text in the main field. If you're using a choice-based question, add your answer options below it. As you type, pause for a moment and notice the tiny status message that appears near the top of the page. You'll see it change from saving to all changes saved, or a similar confirmation. That indicator is your assurance that Google Forms is auto-saving your work to Drive in the background. There's nothing extra you need to do to preserve your progress. No save button to click and no manual export. Every edit you make, whether it's adding a question, changing the question type, or updating text, is captured automatically within a few seconds. If your internet connection momentarily drops, Forms will resume saving as soon as you're back online, and the status message will update to reflect that. A couple of quick tips as you work: make changes steadily and give the page a second to show the saved message before closing the tab, especially after bigger edits. Also, keep an eye on that indicator if you're on a slower connection. Waiting for the confirmation helps ensure nothing is left unsaved. And that's it. Open Google Forms, pick your form, add or adjust your questions, choose the right question type, type your content, and rely on the built-in autosave to protect your progress. Your work is continuously saved to Drive, so you can focus on creating a great form with confidence.